installing a brand new Firebird emblem on a 96 Trans Am. Obviously it's missing the original emblem. So this is what I did. I framed it with this masking tape. And then the neck of the bird goes over this crease here. So this is what it looks like pre-installation. This is called framing. You frame it so that you know where to install this. And to install the liner, you carefully remove, like so. Okay. And then position. Remember, the neck of the bird is in this line. Okay, and then you just, once in place to your liking, press down. Press down, and then peel this off. Remove the liner. Carefully. In this fashion.
Awesome.
And voila, you have the emblem, like new.